Hi everyone, this is Chelly from The Beauty Pure. Today I will be showing you how to debulk and soak off your acrylic nails. So now I'm going to go over my preferred method of debulking and soaking off. The first thing I will do is I'll grab the straight cutter. I'll do a little snippy here on the side and another one here. I'm making sure I'm removing the excess of the nail enhancement because it's really not needed. So the preferred bits that I like to use for debulking is my 5-in-1 coarse or extra coarse. On this occasion, I'm going to go and use the extra coarse one. Now, if you've ever wondered, you can see that they're classified by colors. Black is for the extra coarse. So now with the coarse bit, I am going to remove off the excess acrylic into a nice thin layer to be able to soak it off with acetone. So now I have my foil and my cotton already soaked with acetone. Let's just give it a nice wrap. And we're actually going to leave that there for about 20 minutes and it should be done. It's been 20 minutes already. Let's open this up. So now for this one, I am grabbing the 180 grit file, nice and smooth, a light buff. Just remove the dust, cuticle oil, and there you have it, a perfect soak off.